Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have a 2018 Ultra Classic. It is in vivid black. Bike has 28,000 miles. It's got a few upgrades on it. You got some taller bars here. Looks like about some 12s. Got some aftermarket grips. Grips have a real good feel to them too. Kind of soft rubber, good grip. They have removed the lower fairings. So on the Ultra Classic, they didn't have the twin cooling system, so it was just a plain lower fairing. Of course, came with the Daymaker LEDs. Not much else has been done to it other than they did add the quick detach kit for the tour pack. So that's really nice if you're the kind of person that likes to be able to take your tour pack on and off. Got some extra LED lights in between the bags and fender. Nice touch. Black luggage rack. Of course, all of our used bikes get inspected and serviced. We make sure the tires and brakes and everything are good to go. Make sure it's ready for the road. Nice bike. All right. If you think this could be your next bike, inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see this thing in person and take it for a test ride. Check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. All right, y'all come see us.